Hi, are you one of the developers that are afraid of CSS Media Queries? If that's the case, you can finally relax because there is a new and easy way of using them. With new releases of Chrome and Firefox, the way we can write our media queries is drastically simplified. So make sure you have the latest version of Chrome and Firefox installed, and let's get started. I've created a simple HTML file with a link to the style CSS. Here I have a simple heading, media queries are easy, and my live server is also running. So let's say I want to make this heading turn green on screen sizes smaller than 400 pixels. I can go to my style CSS and start by typing media and then in the parentheses write as simple as width less than 400 pixels. And inside I can define a green color for the heading. I'll go to the browser, open the developer tools and toggle the device toolbar so I can adjust the screen widths more easily. So if I start resizing the screen size, as soon as I go under 400 pixels, the heading changes its color to green. It is so simple now. Let's try something else. Let's say I want to apply the same styles but for a range of screen sizes between 375 pixels and 768 pixels. I can just write an expression like this. Looks like a simple math formula. Let's see this in action. So as soon as I go about 375 pixels, the heading turns green and it stays like that until I reach 769 pixels. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe not to miss similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching.